Jamie ran outside to catch the school bus, but there was a unicorn standing right in front of their house. Jamie blinked hard, convinced they were dreaming. But no, the unicorn remained, its coat shimmering with an iridescent glow. Its mane rippled as if caught in an invisible breeze. Jamie approached cautiously, school bus momentarily forgotten. The creature looked at Jamie with wise, soulful eyes, as if understanding their every thought. Jamie reached out and touched the unicorn's mane, a tingling sensation coursing through their fingers. There was a sudden flash of light, and in an instant, Jamie found themselves whisked away to a magical forest. The school bus was no longer a concern. Jamie was now part of an extraordinary adventure. They could hear distant sounds of laughter and music, and a path of glowing stones lay ahead. Unable to resist, Jamie followed the path. They encountered talking animals, enchanted fountains, and trees that told stories. Each step filled Jamie with wonder and excitement. As they ventured deeper, Jamie realized they had a chance to ask the unicorn what was happening. "Why am I here?" Jamie asked. The unicorn, who had followed, finally spoke. "You have been chosen to bring balance between your world and ours. Only a pure heart can mend the breaches between realms." Jamie nodded solemnly, feeling the weight of this responsibility. They spent what felt like hours, but could have been days, learning the ways of the magical forest. When Jamie was finally ready, the unicorn led them back to the spot where they had first arrived. Another flash of light, and Jamie was back in front of their house. The school bus was just pulling up, and it seemed no time had passed at all. Jamie boarded the bus, clutching a small, glowing stone the unicorn had given them as a token of their adventure. As the bus drove away, Jamie couldn't help but smile. The adventure had not ended, it was just the beginning of a new journey, both in their world and the magical one.